Here is a Honda Accord. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front doors. So let's get started with the rear left door. Open the door and right over there is the switch. Just push it down to activate the feature. And now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside like normal. However, when I get on the inside and close the door, doesn't matter lock, unlock, no matter what I do, I cannot open the door. So how am I gonna get out? I'm just gonna slide over to the other side, open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So let's get out of the car. Open this door from outside, push the switch up to deactivate the feature. Good, now it's deactivated. I can open it from outside like normal, and on the inside in the lock position I cannot open. Unlock, I should be able to open, and yes I can. Repeat the process for the right side door. Open the door and push the switch down to activate the feature. Let's open from outside. I can like normal. In the inside, no matter what I do, I cannot open the door. So how am I gonna get out? You already know it. I'm just gonna slide over there and open that door and get out. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately on each of the door. You don't want the child to just slide over there to the other side and open and get out. So let's just go ahead, open this door, open the right side door from outside, push the switch up to deactivate the feature. I can open it from outside like normal. And the inside, locked, I should not be able to open. Unlock, I should be able to, and yes I can, and that's good. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.